Hello friends, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. Last year, which is 2020, so during December when people wanted to sell their chicken, lots of people prepare, lots of farmers, the ones that do their own little, or they keep little number of chicken at home, broiler, noiler, things like that. So when it comes to a December period when people are rushing out to buy chicken. So I could see lots of novice, new people that just went into this business, that are just starting for the first time. Some came asking me, and I saw some questions on Facebooks that just be like, okay, my brother are 6 months, they are so months, they are so weeks. So how much can I sell them? Some people might even say they are 2 kilos, some are three, some are four, things like that. So they kept saying, how much should I sell all this broiler? And I can't even answer all the questions. So but there is the easiest way to sell your chicken whenever time you want to sell them in Christmas season without asking anybody. So that is all I want you to know in this video. I want you to watch this video to the very end. In Addota Farm, we are all about helping your farm to grow, and we are here to give you a lot of things that will help you to boost your business very well. So there's no need asking anybody after watching this video how much to sell your feed, whether when to sell it, or the size to sell your chicken. So there are some people that rear their chicken at the to something like that, 4 months, some 6 months, some weeks, 6 weeks, something like that. So and they would probably want to sell them out, because some of them are already 2 kilos, some are three, some are 4 kilo, something like that, depending on the size, depending on the weight, and depending on the month, depending on their age. So lots of people do ask that question on Facebook and everywhere, and I can't even answer, like I said. But in this video, you are going to know how much to sell your chicken in that is our 2021 December period. But before that, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop a new content like this for you. So this is the easiest way to sell your chicken during Christmas season. Now, this is what you're going to do. You calculate all your expense, all the amounts that you spent on your chicken, then you divide it by the number of your chicken. So that is just the easiest way. So then after you do that, then you plus it with your profit. For instance, now you buy chicken feed, you buy the chicken, so the money for their medications, their drugs, their medicine, whatever things it is, so or any other money you used to buy any other things, maybe you rented a place for them, things like that. So you calculate everything together, so all the money you spent on them, so all your expenses divided by the number of your chicken, so plus your profit. That is just a simple thing to do. So for instance, now assuming you have 5 chicken, for instance, and you spent up to 10,000 naira on them. For those who are watching me outside Nigeria, this is our currency. We spend naira here in Nigeria. If your own is cedis, if your own is rupees, if your own is whatever currency it is, maybe is it Francais or France, I don't know, but whatever currency you are spending, so you do the same equation. So that is your expenses plus divided by the number of your chicken plus your profit. Now, for instance, now you have 5 chicken and you spend 10,000 naira on them. So 10,000 divided by 5 will actually give you 2. So 2,000 naira is for each. You are going to sell each of the chicken for 2,000 naira. Now let's talk about our expense. Now, for instance, now that is all the money you spend on each bed is 2,000 naira. So you get me. Now our expense, now you will not decide whether to put it in a very big one. So actually, if you put the money in a very big one, you might not sell quick. So for instance, now this issue of inflating the amount of our own beds always bring hindrance to our own market. So for instance, now you are selling your own chicken during Christmas season at the rate of 4,000 naira, and others are selling their own at the rate of 3,500 naira, and some people are still there selling their own at the rate of 3,000 naira, and you guys are having the same size, the same weight of chicken. So this will actually make you to be behind, because I've had a lot of people complaining that they haven't sell their chicken finish. So which that thing has really been a problem. So maybe your cost is too high. That is why the market is not flowing to your side. So this is just the easiest thing to do. After that, when you do that, if you consider, okay, 500 naira is not too much for my own gain. So you know that you are selling each of your chicken for 2,500 naira. Too much? You spend 2,000 naira on one chicken and you get 500 naira as a gain. So 500 naira times 5 will actually give you something like 2,500. So plus another extra money for chicken. So things like that. So it's very, very easy. That is the easiest way to go about it. You know, I didn't say you should go and sell your chicken at the rate of 2,500. I only teach you how to calculate it whenever time you want to sell. So the amount you spent on your chicken divided by the number of your chicken plus your profit, the profit you want to get from it. So you add it to it. So that is just the easiest way to sell chicken. So this is all I want you to know about how to market the price and the amount to sell your chicken during Christmas season. So thank you for watching our video. Don't forget, keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel, and we'll give you all the best that we got